You want to sell quickly, but your property looks like this?
Damn!
Give me 43 seconds and I'll share with you how to sell a house like this in under 14 days.
Nice.
Typically, when someone wants to sell a house, this is the usual process. You hire a contractor to do repairs for $30,000. You hire a real estate agent, $15,000 for both buyer and seller side.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
6 months later, you close escrow with over $50,000 in hidden fees, and then you finally collect your check.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
To sell your house for cash, I want you to know that you don't need to repair the house. You could sell it as is. You shouldn't have to pay a real estate agent either, and you shouldn't have to pay closing costs, title fees, or any fees. Cash buyers can easily buy your house in the next 14 days if you want them to. Just click below to learn how to do it. There's absolutely no obligation, no pressure, and you have nothing to lose.
Oh my God! Wow!
There's a simple 5-question survey, only takes 30 seconds. Click below to learn more. Alright, back to your videos.